Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to start earning in Fiverr, or how to select a gig in Fiverr. Fiverr.com, as you know that Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform. In Fiverr.com, in the search bar, just start typing Canva designing. Let's see what Canva designers are earning and how they work here, and what are keywords. And I'm going to tell you what are keywords and what are the least which how can you see most demanding niches. Here you can see this is a Canva designing. The Canva designing, here this is the keyword. All right, this is the keyword which we have searched, and here you can see there are 10,124 services available for this niche. All right, so this is the niche, people who are working in this niche. And if you are going to select online sellers, you can see this number reduces to 204. So there are about 204 people who are selling, online sellers, which are available 24 hours, and they do different works. Other than this, the main target is to select such a niche or as such a keyword which is less, not more than thousands. All right, try to reduce the to search for a niche which has less service providers. Like if I'm going to here I'm going to go on poster designing. Let's see if I select poster designing, and now you can see poster designing is much higher than Canva designing. So forget this, I'm not going to touch this niche, and still it's too high. And here again I am going to write Canva, just Canva, and let's see. So what the important thing is, when you are starting to make your own gig, you have to search, you have to work in such a way that your designs are that your niche will come up with the service providers. All right, so now here in designing, since we are only looking for the designing products, so here you saw that in Canva design, poster design, there was it was too high. So let's look for Canva social, Canva graphic design. These are the keywords which are already suggested, and they are coming. So in the Canva social, this is a Canva graphic design, which is a general term, and within this general term there is much uh, fields, other fields. So in Canva graphic design, there is flyer design, and see the flyer design has only 931 service providers. So this is much lesser than other niches, and we can put flyer designing in Canva for our keyword. So let's open this notepad and keep it aside. Here, from here I'm going to copy it and paste it here, Control V, and there flyer designing. So this is flyer designing in. So I've decided to make my new gig with flyer designing. All right, so there must be some designing examples for us, for to show our cases, to show our work. So again, there are, you can see there are some suggested keywords as well. You can see over here you can see there are some suggested keywords, and people are earning through this. Let's look for some one design and see how people are earning through it, and then we are going to create such best designs in Canva as well, so such flyers to demonstrate our work first, to showcase our work also. All right, now see here, this is a person and how he has displayed his work. There are different designs which he's showing, and these are the packages. All right, there are 3 packages for every service, and this is the basic. And in basic, he's providing one revision, basic design, and he's taking this much money. All right, and for 4 revisions, high resolution, quality, standard graphic touch, and he's giving this amount of money for it, taking this amount of money, 10,000, above 10,000 PKR. And you can see here also he is earning through this the premium package, he's earning 16,000, above 16,000. And you can see, and his delivery day is 1 day. So this is also important. Fast delivery is very important for your work. And revision, number of revisions, see, this person has given only 2 revisions, so he is much confident about himself. Maybe he is a much better professional. And you can see the ratings for he has been given. So the ratings he has given us 5 stars. He is a very good quality worker, and you can see he has done this much job. The number in brackets shows his jobs which he has done. 50 jobs he has done, and in one job he has got 4 marks, 4 stars. So that doesn't matter. Let's see some of his designs, and let's try to observe these designs, and so that we will be making such designs in our showcase also. See, such a beautiful design. This is a person, and the color combination is beautiful. We must observe the designing techniques of different designers, so that we can enhance our designs as well. And see, this is a cover photo cover flyer for music, and such a beautiful design he has made. He has merged 2 designs. This is the next thing which I'm going to show in my Canva designing tutorial. So let's see some another designer who is earning. This is just for showing you people. I want to show you how people are earning and in Canva designing. And see, this person is also earning in Canva designing with 1 design in Canva, and flyer postcard is his unlimited revisions, and only 4,000. He's about 5,000 he's offering for basic design, and taking for a basic design, and 6,000 for few Canva designs. And this is for 12,000 for 4 designs. And see, here are different uh, things that he is offering. All right. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a gig, and how are we are going to display our work. Hopefully you liked this video, and in the next video, stay tuned with us. Don't forget to subscribe, so that you will not miss any of our updates. Thank you very much.